Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this little subsection we're going to talk about area. In particular, we're going to talk about area of two-dimensional figures. Now, if I have a randomly shaped two-dimensional figure, and this one in fact is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's an octagon. Now, in that octagon, the area is going to be the space inside that octagon. Because what we're looking at is, we're looking at the cover, so in essence like paint. If I were to paint a wall, I'm covering the area of the wall. Okay, now, our most basic type of figure that we're going to start talking about is a square. Square is going to have 4 sides. And the interesting thing about this, these are the tick marks. Remember what the tick marks mean. They mean pieces are equal. So in this case, or the lengths are equal, excuse me. So that means that all sides of a square are, there's that word that we have, congruent. Congruent meaning, there's your symbol right there, it's equal with the little wiggly on top. Congruent meaning same dimension. So they're not equal, but they are congruent. Now, all angles, you'll notice I have these little marks in here. These would be right angles. They're 90 degrees, each one of them. So for 90-degree angles, all angles are right. It also means that all angles are also congruent. Okay? Now, if I want area here, it's going to be length times width. So in this case, I want you to fill in the blank on your worksheet. What's this one? Well, let's go ahead and have this problem number 1. So I want you to fill it in. What times what? Okay, 6 times 6. There you go. Answer is going to be 36. Now, let's use what we know about squares to talk about rectangles. Rectangles are also quadrilaterals. They also have what for the angles? Okay, that's right. They are all angles are right and would again be congruent. Okay, so you have that. But you'll notice there are different dimensions because this and this would be congruent because they have the tick marks. But this double tick mark and this double tick mark mean these two are congruent. So we would say what sides are congruent? What sides are congruent? That's the next blank in your form. Opposite sides congruent, okay? Opposite sides congruent. Now, you also have the formula. The formula is going to be basically the same because they're very closely related shapes. What do you think the formula for area is? Length times width, okay? Length times width. And again, what are we going to do? Say 6 by, say, 78, because that's different. I mean, it's kind of crazy for a width, but 78. So 6 and 78, how would I put that in the formula? What times what? That's right, 6 by 78, and go from there.